Hey folks, what we got here is a Volkswagen Beetle. This is a 2019 with a turbo. So what we're going to do is we're going to check out the air filter and see if it's clean or not. Alright, so what we're going to do here is you need a Torx 25. Okay, a T25. There are 8 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you got a little hose over here. This hose you just squeeze right on the side. All right, these two little pieces there that you can put your hand on there. You squeeze it and you pull it right out. Then on this particular model, you got a little tiny rubber hose. Give a little pinch, give a little slide off to the side. All right. Once you take the 8 T25 bolts out, it won't come all the way out. It'll bottom out once it hits the top. But whatever you do, do not lose them. Then this whole assembly is going to lift up and out of the way. Okay, got a little flexible hose there, so you're okay. There's plenty of room for the wire over there. You're okay over there too. Now, of course, if I had 2 hands, then I would hold this out of the way. All right, now here is the filter. Let's see if it's the original filter or not. I don't know if you can tell. It's got the colors of a Fram color, so it might have been changed at one point. Ready? Let's flip it over. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. A little dirty there. A little dirty there. Okay. Not sure if this is the original filters. It might be, because most of the replacement ones will not have this cotton piece here anymore. Alright. Oh yeah, this got about 36,000 miles. So depending on when this was changed, I would probably highly recommend another filter. So, before you put your old filter back on, if you got a new one, blow this all out, vacuum it out, whichever way makes it easy for you, whatever tool that you have, and you just go in reverse. All right, if you had a brand new filter, you will put it back in here like this. It'll sit nice and flush with no problem. You're gonna grab your air cleaner. You're gonna place it right on top. And it'll actually fall right into place, people. Okay, should be no problem whatsoever unless you're hitting something. Don't forget your little hose over here. Don't forget this hose over here that just snaps right in. You don't have to squeeze it anymore. Let's see here, watch. See that? Click right in and get your little T25s. And you're gonna screw that all the way in. Okay, that's how you replace the filter. All right, easy peasy. All right, I'm gonna go get a blower and a vacuum and clean that out for now. Thanks for watching. Ciao.